If you're looking for fast pregnancy, or if you're getting a little extra older to get pregnant, if you have endometriosis, if you have any issues getting pregnant, this video is for you, for both males and females. We'll be talking today about omega-3 fatty acids, the foods which are rich with fatty acids, omega-3. A general study tells us that the females who are eating omega-3 fatty acids have 22% less chances of getting endometriosis. Omega-3 rich food is very good to reduce the ovarian aging. That means if you're getting older, still you have good chances of getting pregnant. But remember one thing, if you are eating trans fats, that will make your pregnancy journey a little difficult. The studies show that if you are eating trans fat food, that takes your chances of getting pregnant lesser by 48%. If you are taking omega-3 rich food, so every 1% increase of omega-3 levels will take your chances of getting pregnant 8% more. For the males having omega-3 rich food, the chances of getting a healthy sperm are much more. It works on the morphology, motility. I mean, the sperm will be healthy and it will run faster. And you need to remember one thing, that omega-3 is not being produced in our body. So we need to take omega-3 rich food every day. We'll be talking about 9 omega-3 fatty acids rich food. But before that, you should understand that the omega-3 is coming out of fats. The fat you are eating, that is the healthy fat, that is low with cholesterol, low with LDL or VLDL, and rich with high density cholesterol, that is good for you. It improves your brain functions, so it will keep you away from stress and anxiety. That again is highly responsible for the hormonal imbalance, for the hormonal balance, I should say. If you are mentally stable and away from stress, that leads to hormonal balance. So the first food rich with omega-3 is flax seeds. These golden color seeds are very rich with magnesium, vitamin E, phosphorus, and above all, omega-3. So taking 2 teaspoonful of flax seeds every day in any form, you can bake it out, you can have it in the roasted form, you can make powder of it, you can mix it with curd, you can mix in vegetables with your flour, anything in any form, flaxseed is good to have. The number 2 food is walnuts. Walnuts are really very good to eat with, like they have good quality of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, calcium, fat and protein. But remember, if you're eating walnuts, have it with the skin. Do not remove the skin while eating that. You can have it raw, you can have it soaked, but eat it every day. Number 3, soybean. Soybean has high fiber, protein, and it is also very rich with nutrients which include folate, potassium, magnesium, and vitamins. Soybeans are more rich in omega-6 fatty acids. Number 4, chia seeds. Chia seeds is a very in thing in the recent time. It is very low with calories but very rich with fiber, calcium, iron, antioxidants. So include chia seeds in your diet. Number 5, eggs. Generally, the gym goers, the people who exercise, they eat only the egg whites. But eggs as a whole are rich with nutrients. I mean the egg yellow and egg white also. Including eggs is a very healthy thing in your diet. Eggs are very rich with selenium, vitamin B6, B12, zinc, iron, copper, and minerals. Egg yolks have more calories and fats. So if you are already overweight, so you can eat the egg yolk in a limited quantity only. Egg white is not a problem. Number 6 is mustard oil. So include mustard oil in your kitchen to make food. That will be very good and rich source for omega 3. You can have the seeds of mustard also as you use black pepper or something. So you can use the seeds that way. If you are a non-vegetarian, so the food number 7 is salmon fish. Salmon fish is very rich with proteins, magnesium, potassium, vitamin B, selenium, and it is also considered to be the best source of omega 3. So, eating salmon fish is a good option for you. That is very rich with antioxidants also. Number 8, spinach. Earlier known as a Spanish food, spinach is very rich in protein, zinc, fiber, vitamin E, A, vitamin C, and vitamin K also. It is very rich with calcium, phosphorus, copper, magnesium, potassium, manganese, and iron. So, including spinach in your diet is a must. You remember eating some like pills. These are golden, light golden in colors, a little transparent in your childhood. These are cod liver oil capsules. You can have it as an oil, like you can have cod liver oil in the market, or you can have the cod liver oil capsules. These are a very good supplement for omega 3 fatty acids. It's extremely rich with vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin A also. 1 teaspoonful of cod liver oil is enough for a day, and it has very less calories. 1 teaspoonful has just 41 calories. So one should consume 1 teaspoonful, that is enough for the day. So I hope these 9 foods will help you out. If you are facing any problems getting pregnant, if you want to get pregnant faster, if you have endometriosis, that takes the chances of getting endometriosis very less, and you recover also fast if you have that problem already. If you are aging and if you want to have child, this omega 3 fatty acid rich diet will help you out. It is very good for energy, very good for your skin, very good for your brain function. So it will take the stress out from your life. That is an essential thing for the hormonal balance. I highly suggest you to have omega 3 fatty acids in your food. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go down, hit the subscribe button. Also, press the like button. Share the videos to the needy ones. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon. That will enable you to get all my videos first, getting the notification. Thank you so much.